Today we are going to prepare a crispy snack which is ulundu bonda. It's very good for health also. Today I am going to explain how to grind it and about the preparation with a side dish of chutney. For that I have taken 2 glasses. In this measuring cup is the blue in color. No, this is my measuring cup. I have taken 2 glasses of whole urd dal. You need to take only whole urdu dal, not the split one. And I have soaked it overnight around for 6 hours. It's enough to soak for minimum of 4 hours, maximum of up to 6 hours, not more than that. I have washed it, cleaned it, and I have soaked it in water. And now I have transferred the soaked dal by draining out water into the grinder. And you need to grind it for 20 minutes. That is more than enough. Let it grind. Meanwhile, we can take a heavy bottomed vessel or kadai. For chutney preparation. In this, while grinding itself, I have added 2 tablespoons of crystal salt in this urd dal. Let it grind for 20 minutes. Side by side, we can prepare a super tomato onion chutney for side dish. Even you can prepare coconut chutney, onion chutney, anything will go with this. Today I had ingredients only for tomato onion chutney. So I have decided to prepare in that. So I have taken puree of 4 tomatoes with 1 onion, big onion. I have taken puree with 1 tablespoon of salt added into it, crystal salt. If you have iodized or Hindu salt, you can add directly. Iodized means you can add directly in the kadai itself. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat up. After that, I have added in 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Then I have added the grinded stuff inside the kadai. I am going to add in the grinded stuff into the kadai with that salt. Let it boil, the tomato onion stuff, let it boil. With that I am adding 2 pinches of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. It's up to you. You can add red chili directly while spluttering. See, okay, or Kashmiri red chili or green chili, anything. For my own convenience, I have added 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. That's all. Then you need to give a very nice stir so that all the ingredients get mixed thoroughly well. Let it boil for another 2 minutes. Then you will get oil and the grinded stuff separately. That is the correct stage where you can understand the chutney has prepared completely. Then again you give a very good stir. Then even though you give a very good stir, again it will start bubbling like this. So this is the correct stage where the chutney has got prepared completely. Now you can switch off the flame. Meanwhile, it has got 20 minutes grinded in the grinder, that urd dal. Even you can transfer it into a bowl. See how beautifully it is getting grinded up. While while grinding the urad dal, I found the lack of water, so I have added 3 by 4 cups of water. Only 3 by 4 cup of water. After that, I am going to transfer it into a bowl. That urdu dal, grinded urdu dal. Now the chutney has also got ready. Now I have taken refined oil in the same kadai for preparing bonda, urud dal bonda. I have taken almost I have taken around 750 ml of oil. Let it get heated up. Now I have transferred the grinded urud dal into a vessel. But only I have taken half of the urud dal because I thought this amount is enough for me. So the extra urud dal I'm going to consume later. So I have refrigerated it. For this for this half of the amount of urdu dal grinded, I have taken 4 green chilies, 10 curry leaves finely chopped, 4 green chilies finely chopped, a handful of coriander finely chopped, a small amount of ginger being finely chopped. Everything I am mixing thoroughly with my hand. If you want, you can add grated coconut or small pieces of coconut with that. And if you want to get a proper shape of urud dal bonda, you can add raw rice flour also. But I am going to do it roughly only, so I have not added what rice flour. Even I don't have coconut today, so I'm not adding coconut also. Only this all these ingredients. If you're taking the whole mixture, you need to add 8 green chilies and a little more of curry leaves and coriander leaves and a little more of finely chopped ginger. That's all. And roughly you can take like this. Now the oil has got also heated up. So you need to keep the flame very low, and you can start adding in these urd dal in whatever shape you want, like this. So the first batch I'm going to do right now. Roughly you can do like this. If you want a very proper shape, you can add raw rice flour and coconut, whatever ingredients you want you can add. Even you can add freshly crushed pepper for more spicy. Like this you can add one by one in the first batch, and after one side gets fried in a proper manner, you can turn all these urud dal balls to the other side, like this. Let the two sides get fried properly. Let it boil properly. Then you can transfer it into a strainer. If you want, you keep some filter paper or normal paper, whatever you want, to avoid excess oil. Otherwise, you can give a gentle tap at the side while you take it out after frying, so that excess oil will get drained out in the kadai itself. If you have more practice, you can do like this only. So the first batch is ready. So I am transferring it into a strainer. After the first batch has got ready, I am roughly placing the balls inside the kadai, urdu dal balls. The second batch is getting ready. One side it has started getting fried up. Like this, you need to do all the urdu dal, whatever you have taken from the grinder, batch by batch. Now the tomato onion chutney is also ready. I have got 30 urdu dal balls, rough balls. Even you can have tomato chutney, onion chutney separate, and coconut chutney, garlic chutney, or chili sauce or tomato ketchup with side dish with anything. It will go it will taste very nicely. Today I had only tomato onion ingredients, so I took that only. Now our delicious urdu dal bonda with tomato onion chutney is ready. All of you, please try this for sure. If you like this recipe, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varshini Vlog. Please press the bell icon and do press the all option. Thanks for watching. Bye.